The Mahindra XUV700 is both powerful and frugal. How does it do that? The smart micro-hybrid technology shuts the engine when the car comes to a complete halt and cranks it when it is ready to move to save on fuel and emissions. How to activate engine start-stop functionality? Press the ESS switch here. The LED illuminates indicating the ESS is enabled. In case of manual transmission, when the car comes to a halt and the gear is shifted to neutral, the engine gets automatically turned off and this symbol will appear on the instrument cluster. When you press the clutch again to shift it into the gear, the engine is automatically turned on, ready to go. In case of an automatic, once the car comes to a complete stop with the gear still in drive, the engine will automatically be turned off if you keep the brakes pressed. When you release the brakes, the engine is automatically turned on for a seamless experience. Once the engine turns on for both manual and automatic XUV700, the telltale symbol on the instrument cluster will turn off.